Running an e-commerce store but struggling to keep customers coming back? What if one smart tool could help you build loyalty, improve engagement, and boost repeat sales? Today, I'll show you how Zoho CRM helps e-commerce brands retain customers more effectively. Number 1. Personalized communication first. Let's talk about personalization. Zoho CRM lets you segment customers based on their purchase history, interests, and behavior. This means you can send the right message to the right customer at the right time, making every customer feel valued. Number 2. Omnichannel engagement. Next, let's talk about omnichannel engagement. In today's digital world, customers don't use just one platform to connect. Some prefer emails. Others reach out through social media, phone calls, or live chat. With Zoho CRM, all these channels come together in one place. You can track every conversation, respond faster, and never miss an important message. This means your customer gets the same experience no matter how or where they contact you. Consistent communication builds trust, and trust turns customers into long-term relationships. Number 3. Automation. Automation is where Zoho CRM really shines. You can automate abandoned cart reminders, follow-up emails, and special offers. This saves time and ensures customers never feel ignored. Number 4. Customer insights. Zoho CRM also provides powerful analytics. You can track customer behavior, understand buying patterns, and make smarter marketing decisions. Better insights lead to better customer experiences and higher retention. Number 5. Loyalty and feedback. From managing loyalty programs to collecting customer feedback, Zoho CRM helps you turn buyers into loyal fans. So if you want stronger relationships and more repeat sales, Zoho CRM is worth considering. Subscribe, and comment below if you're using Zoho CRM.